Okay, now we're just going to add our last stuff. Now, I said to you about this sweet soy sauce. It's a bit like tamarind paste. Now, we're meant to add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. We don't want to add a tablespoon of that. So what we'll do is we'll add a dash of that. Getting near the end. Got another bottle. There you go. Right, that's probably nearly a tablespoon anyway, isn't it? And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the light soy sauce, and well, we'll chuck in another tablespoon of light soy sauce. Right, and to be honest, that's about all that's left in that bottle. Good job I got a spare of that as well. I'm even organised, and it's behind me just in case I needed it. So there we go, that goes in there now, and basically we bring it up to the boil. Now, you don't want to watch it boil, so when it comes to the boil, I'll show you what we do next.